Hi, I am Dr. Amit Dhumale. I am a specialist in physical medicine rehabilitation. I am a rehab physician. By definition, rehabilitation is interdisciplinary. Each and member of the rehabilitation team is important. The PMR physician, occupational therapist, physiotherapist, orthotist and prosthetist, etc. Everybody has a role. And unified rehabilitation is the only way forward. On this occasion of World Occupational Therapy Day, I would like to congratulate all the occupational therapists for the wonderful job they have been doing. I would like to state their important role in activities of daily living training, cognitive rehabilitation, and optimizing hand functions in some very complicated cases definitely makes our rehabilitation comprehensive and complete. So once again, a very hearty congratulations to you all.
Hello everybody. Neurosurgery involves handling of critical brain areas. Surgeries for brain tumors, accidents, traumas end up causing changes in the brain function. Patients have impaired cognitive functions. They have impaired neurological capabilities, inability to process information, and inadequate interpretation. This leads to them to have significant functional disabilities. These end up causing patients and their relatives significant frustration because they do not achieve the type of independence and functionality that they are expecting. Cognitive neurorehabilitation forms an integral part of a patient's restoration to normalcy. Patients are trained to process information, to improve their attention, to improve their skills of problem solving, controlling their behavior, and analyzing abstract thoughts and performing activities. None of my patients' surgical results would be great or good or not even enough to give them complete sustainable stability unless there is occupational therapy and rehabilitation involved. On occasion of the World OT Day on 27th of October, I wish my team a very hearty congratulations, and I just wish to re-emphasize them that they are an integral part of my patient's recovery. Thank you.
On occasion of World Occupational Therapy Day, I would like to thank my occupational therapy colleagues for the care that they are taking for the patients after surgery. Especially in breast cancer treatment patients, it has been found that occupational therapy really helps in preventing lymphedema, and the interventions and assessments done by occupational therapists are able to provide good lymphedema prophylaxis to our patients, due to which patients are not developing any lymphedema. And we are really grateful, and all our patients are really grateful to occupational therapists for the same. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I would like to emphasize the role of occupational therapy after hand surgeries. Even though we use the best of technical skill while performing the surgery, the ultimate goal of functional rehabilitation is reached only with the help of expert occupational therapy and splintage. So today I would like to wish our team at Jupiter, who are responsible for this completion of the journey of the patient, the very best in terms of them being full of care as well as compassion and making all the difference in the lives of our patients. So once again, I wish you all a very happy World Occupational Therapy Day, and I hope that you keep achieving milestones one after the other. Thank you.